If your pool salt system is not producing chlorine, it's usually because something's off with the salt level or the cell needs some serious cleaning. So, first things first, always check your salt level with a good quality salt test kit. You want it right in the range recommended by your system's manual, usually between 3,200 and 4,000 parts per million. If the salt is too low, your system can't make chlorine properly, so add more pool-grade salt to fix that. Next, clean the salt cell because calcium buildup or debris can block the process. Just turn off the system and soak the cell in a mild acid solution, like diluted muriatic acid, for about 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse it well. Also, make sure your pool's pH is balanced between 7.2 and 7.6, because if it's off, the chlorine won't work efficiently. Check your circulation pump and filter too. If water isn't flowing well, chlorine production drops. Running the system during peak sunlight hours maximizes chlorine output since solar power plays a role. And don't forget to inspect electrical connections to ensure everything's powered correctly without corrosion or loose wires. Finally, keep an eye on the system's control panel for error codes and follow the manual's troubleshooting tips. One of the biggest mistakes people make with salt pools not producing chlorine is ignoring the salt level. If it's too low or high, the cell can't work right, so always test regularly and adjust accordingly. Another common issue is neglecting to clean the salt cell, which causes calcium scale buildup and blocks chlorine production. Fix this by scheduling regular cleanings every few months or as needed. The third mistake is overlooking water chemistry balance, especially pH and stabilizer levels. If these aren't in check, even perfectly working systems struggle to make or keep chlorine effective, so use test kits and adjust chemicals as needed. BigHomeProjects.com is a super handy place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors for pool repairs and maintenance without all the headache. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making projects smoother for everyone involved.